Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is going to be on how you can create a product listing that can rank on top of your competitors listing, guys. And I will show you how you can create a listing that actually makes profit. Since Amazon has started, most of the sales are being made from first 10 to 20 of the listings. So making your product stand out is crucial, guys. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can create a listing that actually stands out. So without further delay, let's get right into this. So firstly, what you have to do is, guys, you have to go to your Seller Central account and log in, and then you have to click on the inventory tab, and you have to click on this add a product button. After clicking the add a product button, it will take you to this page, guys, and what you have to do is you have to click on this link. I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. The reason for this is because we are creating our own private label product, so we have to click on this link. After clicking the button, it will lead you to this page, and here you have to select your product category. Now this is favorite, and you can search it from here, or you can search a category from here, guys. As you see, guys, the lock icon here refers to get it categories that I mentioned you earlier in my previous video. You need pre-approval from Amazon to sell on these categories, this get it categories, guys. As you can see, it's like a lock button here. So today, guys, I will be showing you one example, and one thing, I don't recommend selling this product, as this was my first product and it was restricted on Amazon. So guys, not trying to sell this product that I'm going to show you is the best option, guys. So the first product that I sold was in pest control, and I didn't knew that I need certain certificates to sell on this category. My inventory got destroyed after ordering the product and getting it in the Amazon fulfillment center, guys. So staying away from this product is the best. So it was in repellents. So guys, after we select the category, Amazon will direct you to this page, and here we can see you can choose advanced view, or you can choose this normal view. For example, let's choose advanced view. And firstly, what you have to do is you have to put your UPC barcode, guys, here. And firstly, you have to select ASIN or GST, GTIN, EAN, and UPC. As I mentioned earlier, EAN for other countries rather than United States, and UPC is for United States. And as you select, you have to put here your UPC barcode that I mentioned you earlier in my previous video that we bought from Barcode Mania. So guys, let me show you that one. So guys, as I mentioned you in my earlier barcode video, that Barcode Mania will give you Excel sheet and you have to download it. So from here you have to click on any one of the barcode. So guys, you have to copy any one barcode. So as I copy this one, and guys, the one hack that I use is in the B column I type used, USD used, to know later on the future that I have used this barcode. So this is the one hack that I'm showing you guys. You can copy this barcode and click used and save this Excel sheet, guys. This way you don't have to find which barcode you have used and which you haven't, guys. So as we have copied the barcode, we have to paste it here. As you can see, I pasted it here, and this is the title that today I'm going to show you guys how you can create the best title. Firstly, what you have to do is, as I showed you in my earlier keyword research video, you have to go to Jungle Scout keywords. It's Keyword Scout, and either you can use any one of the method that I mentioned you already in the advanced keyword research video. For now I am using this, and as you log in and join the plan, and as you search for your product on Keyword Scout, they will give you Excel sheet, guys. So you have to download that Excel sheet, and I will show you what that Excel sheet looks like, guys. So as I already downloaded the Excel sheet, and as you can see, it looks like this. And what you have to do is, guys, they will give you the exact Excel sheet, and they will give you search volume, broad match search, categories. So what you have to only you have to do is, you have to choose these keywords, and till around for example, I will do 100 only, and what I will do is, I will copy this keywords that I have chosen, and now I will go to the next step. We have to do is to coming on whatcharactercount.com website. So guys, as you click on the link, it will direct you to this page, what character account, and what you have to do is click on the remove duplicate words, and as you click on the link and this page opens here, what we have to do is, we have to paste the keywords that we copied from Excel sheet, that we copied from this guys, wait, copied from this Excel sheet, and now we have to scroll down and click on simple removal. As you can see, now we have got our keywords. These are the keywords that we are going to use in our description title, guys. So what you have to do now is copying these keywords, that we remove duplicate words from wordcharactercount.com. After copying, we have to go to WordPress. So after copying the keyword from word character count, we have to come to WordPress and paste it here. So it will be easier for us, guys, to see what keywords that we need. As let me this font bigger, little bigger. So as you can see, guys, here are the keywords that we are going to need. So guys, after finding our main resources, then we have to go to Amazon website, selling that website that we purchased product from, not the Seller Central account. So guys, as we come here to this website, we have to type our product name. For example, my product is ultrasonic pest repeller, guys. And now, guys, as we come to this page, we have to check our competitors listing, how and what they are using, keywords they are using. For example, let me show you this need more. As you can see, their listing, and they are using ultrasonic pest repeller, electronic plug-in, indoor pest repellent, pest control for mice, mosquito, ant, spider, bug, roach, human and pet safe. So guys, what we have to do is, we have to copy their listing, but we are not using their listing, guys. We are only doing this because we need idea on how this best listing looks like, best listing and title looks like, guys. So what you have to do is, you have to copy the competitors listing, and we have to come back to WordPress, guys. And after coming back to WordPress, what you have to do is, let's put enter, and here let's paste the this title that we copied from Amazon.com. So as you can see, guys, and they are using ultrasonic pest repeller. As you can see, this is the keyword that we extract from Jungle Scout and Excel sheet and use it in what character count to remove duplicates words. So as you can see, they are using this is their brand name, guys. Neat Master is their brand name. So let me cut this out. So they are using ultrasonic pest repeller. Here you can see ultrasonic pest repeller, electronic. So electronic and electronic, plug in, indoor. Here is the word indoor. Pest, pest is here only. Repellent, repellent is here, and pest control. Where's the pest control? I can find it here. Maybe we have to copy more of the Excel from that Excel sheet. So guys, hope you guys got some idea on how this actually works, and these are more of the same, guys, that we extracted from that Excel sheet that Jungle Scout gave us. So what you have to do is you have to come here and write your own listing, guys. From here you can only take example, guys. You can make the exact same, because your competitor may find your listing and tell it to Amazon to sue your listing, and may tell Amazon that we hijacked their listing. So guys, creating your own listing is the best option, guys. But you can take idea from this one. For example, let's do ultrasonic pest repeller indoor and outdoor, plug in repellent. So guys, you can find all this word from here only, and you can add more of the keywords from Excel sheet. And this is only, I'm just giving you example, guys. You can do your due diligence research and see what fit best for you guys. So I will be giving you example. Repellent for let's copy it from this one. For let's copy this one. Repellent for cockroach bait, cockroach let's get this out. Control cockroach, squirrel, trap, fly, mosquito, mosquito, insect, snake, and lastly let me put some and human and pet safe. Let's cut this and out and give comma here. So as you can see, I've created a example listing title for you guys. You can read it out. It's ultrasonic pest repeller, indoor and outdoor plug-in repellent for cockroach, squirrel, trap, fly. Let's cut this trap out. Ultrasonic pest repeller, indoor and outdoor plug-in repellent for cockroach, squirrel, fly, mosquito, insect, snake, and you can add more of your keywords here, but you can directly put mosquito repellent, insect, ultrasonic pest repeller and traps, because this doesn't sound good, and this your title has to be matching with the words, and customers will find it soothing, guys. So what you have to do now is you have to copy this that we created, and we have to copy and go to seller central, that all your listing process. We have to come here in this page that I mentioned you earlier, and what we have to do is we have to paste it. So this is the perfect listing, guys. This is the not listing, sorry, it's this is the perfect title for your product, guys. So hope you guys got example how you can create a best title for your product. Well, that's all for today, and if you find value in this content, please leave a like, and please subscribe for upcoming videos, guys. Thank you for watching.